Hello everyone, it's your boy Joshua and you are welcome to my channel Zenith Trade. So what I do here in this channel, I am documenting my forex journey to becoming a professional and profitable trader, and also I teach on my strategy which is the Artemis strategy. Now the Artemis strategy, if you are confused, is the combination of CRT, Mauritian support resistance, ICT, and advanced SMC. So we use all these as a combination to look for our bias and entry. So without further ado, I'll quickly go on and tell you how I got this trade. These are 1 to 7 .91 to the war ratio. And let's go right now. Okay, so we are on daily time frame and I'll quickly show you how I got this or how I got this insight. So what are we saying? Price is actually in a downtrend, right? The other flow is in a downtrend, but you'll be surprised how I got the idea of taking the buy. Now, if you look at our overall structure, we got these higher highs and price started giving us this internal uh, bearish order flow before giving us this overall break of structure to the downside. So for you not to confuse, let me zoom in and show you the overall structure. So this is the overall structure right here. So price gave us another uh, break of structure to the downside, and here was where I started looking for um, my buy bias because I know this guy will be used as liquidity in the future. So I began to look for opportunity, or I want to take the opportunity which I actually got. And looking at inside this our internal structure or swing range, we have a fair value gap right here. Reason is actually strong enough for me to take the buy no buy market to this side for I will be looking for another bearish uh, entry once again. So I got my buyer that okay, this is my logic, this is an inducement. Price will be coming to take this liquidity out before do whatever it wants to do. But my main interest is the liquidity sitting at the top. So I went to the 2 hour time frame and I got the confirmation. Which was the see price giving us this highs, low. Price gave a little high right here and it gave a low. So overall price when they giving us this shift of structure or this momentum shift, this also change of character. So we have the shock right there. So we have the shock, whatever we want to call it. So if it's spelling, don't mind the spelling. So let me just keep explaining. Okay, we have the shock, and if I look to the left around this area right here, around this area, I got a lot of confluence on this particular time frame. So if you have watched this video to this extent, I'll say if you are struggling with bias, if you want to learn the strategy that has high win rate, this video is actually for you. So for me, what I trade, you already know, I trade the Akemi strategy, and for my higher time frame bias, I use CRT and key levels, and I go to the lower time frame which is my entry time frame to look for my entry model which is the advanced SMC. So let me give you my SMC for the sake of this video. So let's say for instance we have a key level right here, or key level I mean like other blocks, support, resistance, breaker block, any key level that price we tap into and give us the move push back to this upside. So what are we saying? Price gave us this order block after this change of character. Gave us this was our order block on the 2 hour time frame. And if you look at the left, what the price did, price took liquidity from this all these guys right here. Price took liquidity from them. Let me make this chart mini. Price took liquidity from all these trend line bounces right here on the lower time frame. So we have the liquidity which price have swept already, and immediately it went to the upside, giving us a change of character. Now this means that this zone is very strong. It's been um, sponsored by the institution or by the big banks. So I know that price will be having a reflection or a push up to after coming to the zone. So I mark my POI, which is the other block. Price tap into my order block. And what did I do next? I go to my entry time frame because my daily time frame bias or insight has been confirmed by this 2 hour charts or this 2 hour analysis giving us the break of structure. And price came into this institutional order block, so I went into the for a 15 minutes time frame. So looking at the 15 minutes time frame, what are we saying? What are we saying? Let's take a look at this guy and this guy. What's the difference? You see price giving us this highs and this low. The price when they're giving us the break of structure. Another change of character, guys. Price give us another change of character to the upside, which means our 2 hour time frame has given us a change of character. CHOCH, okay. So this is don't really matter when writing this. So we got a change of character after price tap into our 2 hour order block. So if I'm to refine this or refine it to this single pivot refinement, which is our order block right here. So there was it. Now on the 15 minutes, remember it's my entry time frame. So I am looking for my entry model, which is the advanced SMC. All confirmation have been aligned from the daily time frame to the 2 hour time frame. Now I want to show you my entry model. This is one of my entry model, in fact my best entry model. So let's say for instance you have a key level right here, just like that 2 hour order block. So price giving us this higher, lower high, lower low. Price giving us this lower high and lower low, tapping into our order block and give us a change of character from this guy right here. Now, this is where my entry model comes in. Price will come into the range a little bit and push to the upside. Now, a lot of people will think that this is our next range, but unfortunately, price will come back, take this guy as a liquidity, tapping into my nearest key level before pushing to the upside. So this is my entry model. Now I'll give you the logic concerning this entry model as a trader who is trying to become an expert in advanced SMC. Now look at something. We got a change of character from this guy right here. Change of character right here. Now if you notice, price never really come back to this equilibrium level right here. Let me just this is our range from this change of character, which is this guy right here, this high and this low right here. So this is the range. Price never really come down to this green, or it never really tapped this 50% of the range. So it's like this structure never come back to this 50% range. So there's a lot of order that needs to be filled before price will give the big push to the upside. So it just give a little trap right here, induce the early buyers. Unfortunately, if you come down, taking that stop loss, tapping into the 50% before going to the upside. I just hope that is clear and very understandable. So this is what price actually did right here. After our change of character at this point, okay, let me delete this. So after this change of character right here, as you can see, price went up, gave a little inducement like I just explained and pushed to the upside. You can see it never really come down to this 50% or inside the range or deeper to this range right here before it's now came down into my key level. Now I spotted this. I know this is my call to take this trade because of confirmation at the line. So I mark this as my liquidity right here. There was my liquidity or inducement. Now for the sake of this video, this was my entry, and because why is it my entry? It is the nearest key level, which is the OC key level, which is open close key level. So it was very nice for me to take it right here, and I actually trusted the setup because I've been winning trade with it. I've been practicing and I've been practicing it. So I took the trade and I target this high right here. You can make price will be going for that high to the next high, start creating this higher low momentum stop. And once again, before I close this video, there's something I really want you guys to understand. And if you look at the 2 hour time frame, right here. If you look at the 2 hour time frame right here, you notice something. You notice something. Let me mark it for you guys to see. You notice something. I don't really know why it's okay. You notice something. Just look at from this range right here. From this range, let me zoom out. From this range, you cannot see any strong demand or any strong supply zone. So I have the faith that price in the next week price will keep on pushing because we don't have any strong supply zone right here. Or if price is going to bounce back, it's going to be this level, this A-shaped level right here, this A-shaped level because this A-shaped level took liquidity from this guy right here. So no need to try to explain much. I'm not here to teach you more of the technical analysis or analyze the chart. I want to teach you how to take trade look for bias in this particular video. If you want any other video or any other trading educational video, you can look on my other videos where I talk on that. So it is what it is. If this video is helpful, please do wait to like, subscribe, and most importantly, comment. Thank you.